Step 1. Find the little 8 rubber protectors and stick them to your CPU holder. Step 2. With protectors in place, gently lay the holder over your CPU. Fasten the straps and pull tight until the holder is firmly attached. Step 3. With the holder secure, measure the relationship and distances between the 4 screw holes. Transfer the measurements to the underside of your work desk. You're now ready to drill small pilot holes. Step 4. Take your screws and fasten them in position. Remove the bracket from the CPU and attach to the underside of your desk. Screw tight and finally reattach your CPU.